Hi there, I'm Yolanda Welcome to Quiet Mind Healing Soundbite for today. We've been doing a lot of yoga therapy around the hips and the back and the sacrum lately. And I thought I would just take a moment to share a few tips with you. So many people that I've known in my life and that I know now have some kind of ongoing back and hip problem or pain, or have had a serious injury that they feel never quite feels right. So I found that there are some things that we can learn about our bodies and practice on a daily basis that really help that problem improve. And one of those tips is to press through the heels in all of your yoga poses and when you're standing. It's so easy to not be in tune with your feet because they're so far from the brain. But as soon as we start paying attention to our feet, we cultivate a sense of groundedness, a sense of centeredness, a sense of being connected. Rather than feeling unstable, we feel more stable. And that physical stability translates to mental and emotional stability too. So how can we work that into our yoga practice? Well, you'll notice that I'm sitting here at the wall and that I'm sitting on quite a large bolster. So the first tip would be to give your body plenty of support. Don't think this is a bad thing and don't think there's something wrong with you because you need that support. Pain is a distraction. It's noise in your nervous system that makes it really hard for you to tell what's really going on. And as soon as you give your body support, it feels more steady, it feels more cared for, and that signal of pain is diminished measurably right away. When that happens, you become able to tune in to what your body is really feeling and doing. And that's the whole point of yoga. So looking at this from a yoga therapy standpoint, once you've had a few minutes to just sit with your back at the wall and have plenty of support under you and do some deep breathing, you would want to come into a squat. Because the squatting position will give you the opportunity to begin to press your heels down into the earth right away. Now I see a lot of people just go into a squat and really feel uncomfortable or unsteady, and they may not be aware that their bodies are crooked or their heels aren't grounded, or they may just be uncomfortable and not even ready to be in the pose. So I would strongly suggest using a support. And if a bolster isn't high enough, you can add a block. And some people even use blocks exclusively. And the nice thing about a block pile is that you can adjust the size. So as your body becomes more flexible, you can just take the top block off the pile and have a little bit more of an appropriate challenge for how much you've progressed. So pressing down the heels. If you can do that in a squat and if you can breathe deeply into your belly, you're on the right track to grounding and centering and beginning to be able to correct the position of your pelvis, the position of your sacrum, and the intensity and frequency of your pain. So that is our Quiet Mind Healing Soundbite for today. You will find yourself able to squat much more easily if you start with more support. And once you learn to press your heels and breathe deeply, I can't even begin to tell you how much better you're going to feel. So I wish you all the best with this. If you need to see more or learn more about what I do, check out quietmind.com on your website. And feel free to contact me if you're interested in setting up a private lesson, attending a workshop, or having some visionary body work that can help your nervous system heal. Thank you. Namaste.